Hey budgeters and savers, Kris Budgets here with my week 3 of my August savings challenge. So I am doing the back to school savings challenge. This you can find on my Etsy, and I will be releasing my September and pretty most likely the rest of the year's savings challenges on my Etsy page. So I wanted to go ahead and do my update for my back to school savings challenge for week 3. And also, you guys, I actually just filmed my cash stuffing like 5 minutes ago, and I just filmed my cash stuffing and I forgot to show you guys. Y'all thought I was finished with these Pop-It toys, because I'm not. Okay, so this is the last Pop-It toy that we have, and Arya actually got it from her birthday, and it's so cute. You guys, this is the one. I think this is my favorite one. It's so cute. And the best part is, Arya doesn't even know that I took it. Like, she doesn't even realize that I have it. Boom, look at all that. Boom, start over. You guys, I'm telling you, if you like those like fidget, y'all remember the fidget spinners? I'm gonna have to bring out my fidget spinner that I got from work. If you guys like fidget spinners, or you're fidgety and you know those little cubes, those fidget cubes, this is it, you guys. This is it. And it's soft. Like, how satisfying. ASMR. Oh, ASMR moment. You know, I love a good ASMR moment. So, oh wait, I forgot one. Okay, let me stop playing, you guys. Let me stop. So, what was I gonna do? I forgot because I was so into this Pop-It. So let me get my life together and see where we are gonna pull the next $50 from. So we are gonna be pulling the $50 from one of our cash envelopes here. So groceries, food, miscellaneous, gas. So I need $50, you guys. I think I'm gonna go ahead and pull it from groceries. So yes, this is $100. I'm just gonna make change. I'm gonna do a quick bill swap. And this is my savings challenge envelope. I don't know like the last time I've shown it on camera, but I actually use this for all of my savings challenges. This is from Sam's Crafts and Customs also. I also have a larger one, at a size A5 one from her as well. I just love it because, you know, it says savings challenge. It's in rose gold. I love rose gold. So you guys already know I'm a savings challenge ho, okay? And I just love it. And I have the large one too for my sinking fund binder. So it goes with everything. It really does. So I'm just gonna make change for my $100, okay? So $50. Wait, what was I doing? Okay, hold on. This is why I can't do bill exchange videos, because I'm just not there yet. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And then $50. Okay, I did it. Whew. You guys, I don't know why that was a struggle, but it was. Don't at me, okay? This is why I can't do those, you know, those bill exchange videos. They're so satisfying to watch, and it's just so satisfying to like listen to the but I can't count, so that's not gonna work out for me. So we have 100, 120, 140, $150. So we are almost there, you guys, and I cannot wait. So I'm gonna put this in my savings challenge envelope. Boom, she cute. Close this up. And then, so in my last video, someone had commented that I like went over the line. And yes, I did, you guys, I did. So I am gonna zoom us in, you guys, and we're gonna do something cute, okay? Sorry, my camera is so wobbly, I don't even know what to do. Like, my husband's on the phone acting like he doesn't hear me, so he doesn't want to help me try to figure out the camera situation. But we are going to do something cute, and we are just going to paint week 3. okay? Hopefully this was enough paint. So if you guys follow me on Instagram at Kris Budgets, you guys know my daughter does a lot of painting, arts and crafts. It's a vibe. And I get a lot of her stuff from the Dollar Tree. So this is one of them. Is this in the lines enough, you guys? Ooh. You guys, look how cute that is. Am I an artist? Okay, you guys, it looks cute. It looks so cute. Okay, let me do this side of the backpack. I think I'm an artist. Boom. I could have probably used a finer like brush, but I don't know if you guys can see my brush. Can you guys see my brush? It's so thick. It's thickums. Like me. Alright, I'm just gonna do that little piece right here. And hopefully I can get that little corner piece. But I just wanted to thank you guys for 600 plus subbies. It's been so much fun, so exciting to be on this journey with so many people in this community. And I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys, especially my budget besties. Y'all know who you are, okay? I'm not gonna say names or whatever, but you guys know who you are. So thanks you guys for always supporting me and motivating me and really just, you know, being encouraging. So I appreciate you guys. And don't you guys worry, I have more videos coming up. I have so many things coming up. Oh my gosh, oh no. Okay, I knew that little corner piece was gonna get me, and now look at me. Oh no, too much on my brush. Oh no, you guys. I don't know if this was a good idea. Okay, well, it's too late because we are here. Oh no. Oh no, paint everywhere. All right. Am I Aria? Hot Mess Express. Okay, let me zoom in out so it doesn't look so awful. Okay, it doesn't look so bad when it doesn't look so bad, right? When it dries, I'm gonna go over the black with a Sharpie so it looks decent. But I just wanted to thank you guys for over 600 subbies. And if you guys haven't yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and make sure to follow me on Instagram. What is the other one? TikTok. Okay, you guys, I'm definitely gonna get back on TikTok. I know I keep saying that, but I'm gonna do it for real. TikTok. And don't forget to follow me on Twitter, okay? Because I have, you know, all the things to say. All of the things, okay? So if you guys like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and then leave me an emoji in the comment section if you've made it this far to what is your favorite food. Okay, leave me an emoji. Let me know out of those emojis that we have available to us. Okay, because I know the emojis are limited. Drop an emoji and let's start a conversation. Thanks for watching.